Yeah, this is slightly difficult. These are world's three most famous painters. And on the right side, these are the world's most famous paintings. These paintings started a new era in the world of art. Sir, Fatehpur Dheera, you want to hazard a guess? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. पीछे वाले में से if any one of you tells the name of any of the painter or any of the paintings, they get a prize. Yeah. पीछे से अगर कोई आदमी किसी भी पेंटर का नाम बता दे या पेंटिंग का नाम बता दे, they get a prize. हाँ.
Pablo Picasso. The name of the painting is El Guernica.
Very good.
Salvador Dali.
Great. See, this is the Q. This is the C. ये Q है, इसको लिख दिया victory. Van Gogh is the right answer. Pablo Picasso, the person at the top, he started a new form of art called Cubism. Pablo Picasso's one of the most painting was Guernica. He made Guernica when Guernica is a Spanish town which was bound by the Nazi army. You can see it has angles and boxes. Then second is Salvador Dali. One of the most famous painting is Persistence of Memory. All his paintings are about dreams and the things which we see in dream. And third one is Van Gogh. This painting on the bottom, the screen, is a very famous painting. It's all about psychoanalysis and the psychological thoughts, you know. Okay, so sir को Rajguru also gets 5 points, huh? लगा दिया ना? Rajguru was the team which were. The first right goes to the person who replied. So Rajguru gets 5. I think this is one of the best answers which we have got. ये प्रश्न था ढींगा के बाद उधम सिंह. You are ready, sir? These are all the paintings of Van Gogh. Starry Nights. By the way, you know Van Gogh killed himself. Udam Singh is ready for the next question. Repeat हो गया, sorry. Yeah. Udam, identify the freedom fighter, sir. उमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी उधम सिंह बोल रहे हैं, उनको -5 लगा दीजिए. Now the question goes to the audience on the other side. पीछे वाले कोई बताएंगे? Those not, kindly keep quiet. This question is meant for the people who are not on the round tables. Anybody from that side? हाँ? सुरेंद्र नाथ बैनर्जी सर बोल रहे हैं, गलत है. Now the question moves to the round table. Anybody who answers gets 5 points. Okay. गलत बोलेंगे -5 लगा दिया जाएगा. सोच समझ के बोलिए. Anybody? Now wild guesses. No marks, no negative marks. Tell me. Anybody? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर सर बोल रहे हैं, उनको तो -100 करने चाहिए, ऐसे करेंगे नहीं. Anybody else? दादाभाई नौरोजी. That is the right answer. The Grand Old Man of India. He was the first Asian to become a British MP, the Member of Parliament. He wrote a book called Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Okay, ये हमारा उसका हो गया था. उधम सिंह के बाद किसका नंबर है? Bhagat Singh, yeah, Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh, you ready, sir? This is one of the most important events in the history of our freedom struggle. Can you guess? Wait, जिसका बारी है उसको बोले दीजिए. हाँ, बता रहे हैं क्या? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anybody else from the audience first? Those who are not on the round table. I can only give you a hint. If you see this gentleman, he is Alan Octavian Hume. Anybody can wait. Counter of Indian. The question is not who is that guy. I have already told. What is this photograph? Jyoti first. Bhaga Jatin first one. And what was the year by the way? 1885. Who was the first president? ये next है भगत सिंह. Ready है सर? कहाँ गया भगत? भगत सिंह अभी कौन? Sorry. Next is Bhaga Jatin. अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन किसको पूछा था हमने? भगत सिंह. नहीं, भगत सिंह के बाद बाबा जी नहीं है. या आइडेंटिफाई द फ्रीडम फाइटर. Next time, kindly try to maintain the discipline. Otherwise, we will just call it a day, right? बाबा जी 5 पॉइंट. पूरी राउंड बोस. तालियां बजाइए. खुदीराम बोस. Khudiraam Bose was one of the youngest freedom fighters to be hanged. He was less than 18 when he was hanged. Next is Ram Prasad Bismil. You see how young he is. When I was making this quiz, मेरा बाल खड़ा हो गया. I got goosebumps, when I was going through the history and going through all those things when I was making this. Youngest revolutionary, on the day of his hanging, he was only 18 years, 8 months and 8 days old. Praful Jaki, their prime president, the chief presidency magistrate, Kingsford. Okay, the next team is ready now. Ram Prasad Bismil, you ready, sir? Okay, this is very interesting. Let the question come. Have a good look at this photograph. Wait. बोलेंगे नहीं, जिसका टीम का बारी वही बोलेंगे. This question is of mathematics. ये गणित का क्वेश्चन है, पहले बता दें. ये जो प्रश्न है गणित का प्रश्न है. ओके, इसमें आक्रोश मूवी आई थी, किसी ने देखा था? मुझे कुछ आक्रोश जैसा लग रहा है. तो क्वेश्चन राम प्रसाद इसमें ले. लालू प्रसाद यादव became an MP for the first time. How many years ago? It is a mathematics question of mathematics. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. The question passes to all audience on the other side. Sir, anybody? Okay. Now, wide guesses. No points for this. Yeah. Alright, sir. क्या बात है? 40 years. See, I said it's a question of mathematics. What is the current year? 2017. इमरजेंसी के बाद इलेक्शन कब हुआ था? 77. खत्म. 2017 minus 1977. So the answer is 40 years. Great, sir. Great. Wonderful. So, this Chandrasekhar. 5. I initially told you it's a question of mathematics. Okay. Next question. ये हो गया राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल हो गया. Go back to Rajguru. नहीं, Rajguru नहीं. Batukesh. हाँ, you are ready, sir? Okay. Identify this young man we all know. कोई बोलेगा नहीं, जिसका बारी है वही बताएंगे. बटुकेश्वर दत्त का बारी है. The question is, he got Nobel Prize For what? The options are there. Wait a second. He got Nobel Prize for Theory of Relativity, Photoelectric Effect, Quantum Mechanics, Quantitative Mechanics.
That gentleman is Albert Einstein, and he got the Nobel Prize for Theory of Relativity. E is equal to mc square. E is equal to mc square. Theory of Relativity.
The answer is incorrect. -5. What do you get sure that? The question passes to the audience on the other side. Anybody, sir? Photoelectric effect. Talia. That boy. It is a general belief that he got Nobel Prize for Theory of Relativity. In fact, he did derive that concept between matter and energy, but he got the prize for photoelectric effect. Normally we recognize this young man by this photograph. Okay. So, Subhash Chandra Bose. Next. You ready, sir? One of these gentlemen got a Nobel Prize. Okay. Identify the person and name him. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass. Sir. C.V. Raman. Give a prize to that person in the white shirt. White shirt. He is C.V. Raman. Right. And what was the? This question does not carry marks. What was the subject on which he got the prize? Raman effect is related to what? -1,000 points. Raman effect किससे related है? अरे physics में which part? Light में which part? Yeah, that's right. What scattering of light? Okay, ये next question अभी हमें इससे पूछा था Subhash Chandra Bose से पूछा था Madan Lal, you ready sir? Identify this building. This is a railway station, Indian railway station. Bharatiya Railway station है 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The time has passed. People on the other side first, please. Anybody from the back side, sir? काटरा ये काटरा स्टेशन बोल रहे हैं वैष्णो देवी के पास वाला the answer is incorrect. This station is in SWR, the police station. Okay, next question passes goes to अभी हमने पूछा ढींगा उधम सिंह ready? अरे हाथ ऊपर कर दिया उधम सिंह It's slightly difficult question for you, but anyway, that is how it is. This is the logo of a very famous company. Very famous company. There are 4 choices. Okay, you have to tell which choice is correct. And John Company, British East India Company, Honorable East India Company, East India Company. कृपया बाहर निकल जाइएगा ये बात बोलेंगे तो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट दोज हु स्पीक आउट ऑफ टर्न टू काइंडली मूव आउट ऑफ द रूम लेट्स मेंटेन द डिसिप्लिन दिस क्वेश्चन passes now somebody already spoke the question gets wasted so another question for you sir Udham Singh okay which Indian railway station has the longest name ठीक है 10 सेकंड है मैं 1 सेकंड के लिए वो नाम दिखाऊंगा देन आई विल रिवर्ट बैक हाँ बोलिए 10 9
वेंकट he says Gorakhpur
प्रश्न को समझा करिए लंबा नहीं बोलना उसका नाम लंबा है तो आई कैन पुट माय -5 points to team Udham Singh. -5. Now this question is over to the back side.
VKZ क्या?
So Venkat sir.
Name of the station.
DKZ code है
Anybody else? Huh? Ernakulam is wrong answer.
So Venkat
Venkateswaram, something like that. That is a wrong station.
वेंकट रमन नरसिंहपुर उसके बाद
Raju Haripetta, he's right. He spoke the first 3-1, that's great. Which thing is that, sir? लगा देते हैं, 5 पॉइंट लगा दीजिए. इनफैक्ट ये बनाया था, I got confused totally, so I found a way. By the way, how many letters are there in this? इसमें कितने लेटर हैं? No points for this. Guess. इन्होंने बोला 23, anybody? हाँ? 26, 23. It is Venkata Narasimha Raju Haripetta. Venkata Narasimha Raju Haripetta. Total letters is अल्फाबेट में कितने लेटर होते हैं? 26 प्लस 2. 28 letters alphabet plus 2. 28. It is in Southern Railway. State is Andhra Pradesh. District is Chittoor. Division is Guntakal. Okay. अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन उधम सिंह. उधम सिंह के बाद में अगला नंबर आता है भगत सिंह. भगत सिंह sir, you ready? What is the minimum distance between two railway stations? भारत के दो रेलवे स्टेशन के मिनिमम डिस्टेंस. एनीबडी? हाँ, भगत सिंह. You can pass. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Partho.
2 kilometers.
Partho says 2 kilometers. Somebody says 3 kilometers.
1 kilometer.
Somebody says 1 kilometer. 500 meters. 0 kilometer. Now, we have, I think, a multi-various answer. Tell me the name of those two stations जो आप बोल रहे हैं 500 मीटर 1 किलोमीटर. Bandel Hooghly. How many kilometers, sir?
1 kilometer.
Bandel Hooghly 1 kilometer. Anybody else?
उत्तर बड़ा ही मोटर 100 odd meters.
It's a station.
I'll change it. 500 meters. That is New Alipur Junction and Taliganj. Lake Gardens and Taliganj.
How much? How much?
So it's around 400 meters.
400. How much? Less than a kilometer. In fact, now I am myself totally confused. I had an understanding that the station, this one, Ajini Nagpur, is what I was told. So nobody gets, it's a null this thing. So ये next question of Bhagat Singh team, you are ready? Which railway station platform is in 2 different states? स्टेशन का नाम बताइए जिसका प्लेटफॉर्म आधा प्लेटफॉर्म एक देश स्टेट में आधा प्लेटफॉर्म दूसरे स्टेट में है. I can see one hand. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The question has passed to the backside first. Nagpur is the right answer. Big round of applause. Aliya. Nagpur is the right answer. It is in Bombay division of Western. Next question is for Bhagat Singh के बाद नंबर है बाघा जतिन. कहाँ है बाघा जतिन? हाँ, you ready sir? इसको छोड़िए. This is the question. उसको छोड़िए. Next question is for you. Which Indian railway station has the smallest name? Wait, ये बागा जतीन के लिए प्रश्न है. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. If is the right answer, बागा जतीन 5 points. पीछे बैठे लोग भाई लोगों तालियां बजाओ. The next question is for unfortunately, the team Rajguru gave us 4 straight questions. Next 4 questions are for Rajguru only. Okay, you ready, Rajguru? Rajguru, you ready? So that every team is at the same rate. Rajguru, next 4 questions for you, so that you are at par, right? Sharp. हाँ, बोलिए, Rajguru, what is the answer? हाँ, बोलिए. If is the right answer, Rajguru को 5 मिनट लगेंगे. अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay. This question is dead. Next 4 questions for team Rajguru who missed the. Okay, you ready now? Next 4 questions. नहीं. Yeah, Rajguru. Identify the freedom fighter. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The question passes to the people on the other side. Anybody from the back side? Anybody from back side? I can see one. Ras Bihari Patel. Ras Bihari. The answer is wrong. Next question for team Rajguru. Okay, you ready, Rajguru? This is not a question for team Rajguru. It is for everybody here. Okay. Team Rajguru, you are ready to take this question? You see this building? Can you tell why coal was transported from Raniganj to Calcutta? So Raniganj should have been the main center of railways. Asansol became the main center. What was the reason behind it? Anybody in the audience? First for Rajguru, then audience. How come that instead of Raniganj, where maximum collieries were there and coal was being transported from Raniganj to Calcutta, earlier it was through the Damodar river, then a railway line was built. How is it that Asansol became prominent? Yeah. Why railway establishment did not come up in a big way at Raniganj? It came up at Asansol. The question passes to the audience. Anybody who is ready to tell? A brief for everybody. Coal was transported from Raniganj to Calcutta by river Damodar. In fact, one Mr. Tagore, he had thought of a company to be created here in tie with Mr. Thompson. Those two companies combined and EIR was formed. Then it was extended from Padua to Raniganj. In fact, there were 2 royalties. One was at Raniganj and Malias. The people, the royalty at Raniganj, they didn't want the establishment to come up because they thought it will make the environment dirty because of air will become bad and all. But the Raja of Panchkot, who owned this Asansol, he had a big jungle called Sherga. He gave that jungle to the area where this Dhanbad came up. Okay, next question. The last Rajguru. Then we continue with the normal circuit. Okay, Rajguru team, you are ready? Yeah. Team Rajguru, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Lucknow. Lucknow is the right answer. 5 points for Team Rajguru. Rajguru से पहले हमने किससे Madam, sharp radius, please keep quiet. Everybody now, I think, has had 4 questions. Now we go by the series, right? Bagha Jatin के बाद में Ram Prasad Bismil कहाँ है साहब? हाँ, now we go by the sequence. Now I think everybody is quiet. You ready, sir? गड़बड़ हो गया. Identify the area. Ram Prasad Bismil. Which area is this? मुगल सराय. -5 लगा दीजिए जल्दी से. या पीछे की तरफ. Back side. Anybody? Howrah station. Yeah. सिंघू साहब का आंसर राइट है. उनको एक गिफ्ट दे दीजिए. This is the old Howrah washing yard. You can see the IRS coaches, you know that wooden is there. So, Bismil हो गया. Rajguru, now the sequence starts. Next question is for you. Identify the building. Yeah, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yeah. Rajguru says Puri. Pune. ये क्या बोला है? राजगुरु ने पहले पुरी बोला, उसको करेक्ट किया, बाद में पुणे बोला, -5. Next question is for Batukeshwar Dutt. Batukeshwar Dutt, you ready, sir? Identify the building. 10. Yeah. Darjeeling is the right answer. 5 points for Batukeshwar Dutt. 5 points लगा दीजिए. Next question is for Subhash Chandra Bose. You ready, sir? Identify the building. पास किया है, पीछे वाले कोई बोलना चाहेंगे? Then we come here. Slightly difficult, it's an old station. But अगर थोड़ा ध्यान से देखेंगे तो आपको स्टेशन का नाम लिखा हुआ है. इसकी नजरें तेज हैं, वो देख पाएंगे. Anybody wants to? On the back side, पीछे वाले को बोले. If you see, थोड़ा ध्यान से देखेंगे ये लिखा हुआ है. This is Nagpur railway station. Okay. Next question is for Madanlal Dhingra. Madanlal.